It is when you start your YouTube channel that you know that there are so many people in your WhatsApp contact that are your Lord and your personal savior.
Black fingers upon the beat.
Hey people, what's popping? Kilo Shele, Agini name me. Let's go there. Okay guys, it's your favorite girl Dara Giselle, and I am back here again with my YouTube tips and tricks. And as you can see from the title, today I'm going to be talking about how to get 100 subscribers fast. This video is supposed to be for people that are below 100 subscribers, but even if you are above 100 subscribers and you're willing to grow, you need to watch this video from the beginning to the end, because there's definitely going to be a useful tip for you, even me, as I am on 1k plus, I am still making use of these tips, so stay tuned. Okay guys, first of all, you have to promote your YouTube channel on your social media platforms. YouTube has given you the opportunity to do that. They have given you the freedom. There's no restriction. You can bring people from WhatsApp, from Instagram, from Facebook, from everywhere. So you cannot have followers or friends on all these platforms and they're not impacting your YouTube channel. You're having 11 subscribers. No, it's not good. That's not nice. Yes, you have to bring those people over to your YouTube. You have to be aggressive about your YouTube channel. You cannot be creating content, you cannot be dressing up and making up. Shooting a video is very stressful, so you cannot be stressing yourself and you'll be having 11 subscribers, 50 subscribers. What is that? Like, what is that? No, it can't be possible. If you have contacts or followers that don't want to invest in your YouTube channel, that don't want to subscribe or support you, you need to cut them off. So guys, channel trailer and channel banner. You need a wonderful channel trailer. Guys, when I started my YouTube, I created this funny channel trailer. So guys, I had to recreate a new channel trailer for the purpose of my YouTube. So when people see that channel trailer, they are ginger, they already love my personality, they already love who I am, and they are motivated to subscribe to my channel. So you need a wonderful channel trailer. If you need support for your channel trailer, hit me up on my Instagram. Let's talk. Let's have a heart-to-heart talk. Let me give you suggestions on what you can do for your channel trailer. You need a wonderful channel banner. Yes, your channel banner has to be neat and attractive. It can be a white color, it can be whatever color, but it has to be neat. It can't be messed up, and you have to fix it. You have to design it in a way that it's going to fit in. Like, even if I'm looking at it from a phone, I'm still going to see the clear picture. Okay guys, so searchable titles. This is very important. If you have already hit 50k subscribers or 10k subscribers, you can be lazy about your titles because you know that your subscribers will always come to view your content. But you cannot be a growing YouTuber and use titles that are not searchable. Use something that, okay, I'm going online now to research for Nigerian YouTubers. I'm going to find you. I'm going to check how to make a knitted cap. I am going to find your video. Guys, and here, apart from using searchable titles, there's something very important you have to do. I mentioned it in my how to get 1000 subscribers fast video, so check the video right here or check my description box for that video, because I explained everything in a more complex way, but this one is like breaking it down for beginners and for some advanced people that still need some additional tips. Yes, so you have to use searchable titles and do the other things I said in my 1000 YouTube subscribers video. Yeah, commenting on other channels. You can't just be an island. You have to go to other people's channels, watch their videos, learn things from those videos, and when you learn those things, say it, comment it, let people know that you are there, let people notice you. If it's one comment you want to leave, make that comment quality, but go to other people's channels to comment, because definitely people are going to come and check the person who made it. And then don't go there and tell them, please check out my channel and subscribe to my channel, like subscribe back. Nobody will check your channel. Nobody will even like the comment, not to talk of checking your channel. Make quality comments, say what you feel about that thing, and it's going to work like magic. Yes, make use of cards and end screens. I don't know if you're going to understand what card and end screen means, but I am going to make a video about that. I promise I'm going to make a video about cards and end screens. But basically, you can research it on Google. If you don't understand it, I'll make a video, but research it on Google and make use of them, because when you make use of cards and end screens, people tend to watch more of your videos, and the more videos people watch from your channel, the more they are likely to subscribe. But guys, I will say that social media thing again, you need to bring your friends. You are entitled to your friends' subscriptions. Yes, you're entitled to their subscriptions. If they're not supporting you, they're not viewing your videos, they're not subscribing to your channel, they're not telling people to subscribe to your channel, they are not reposting your content, cut them off. They are not your friends. They are monitoring spirits that don't deserve to be on your contact list. So tell them, like, guys, when I started, I sent broadcast lists to people. I sent broadcast lists to about 200 contacts. I know that was quite invasive because that's not something I like doing, and I'm definitely not doing it again. But I did it for my first video, or my first 2 videos. Yeah, I had to do it. So send broadcast lists. You are going to receive insults. That's when you know that some people are your personal Lord and Savior. Yes. When you're asking for YouTube subscription, that's when you will know your personal lords and your personal saviors. But just ignore them. Just do it once or twice. Get what you want. You can create a support group. I'm planning to create one now, and I know it's going to work. After doing the broadcast, create a support group. You have your closest friends there, your siblings there, people that are willing to support you. They should be on that group, even if they are only 10 to 15, so that anytime you drop a link, they're definitely sharing it on their WhatsApp status, and someone is learning about it. Even if it's only 1 person or 2 persons, little drops of water make a mighty ocean. So you need to do that. Like, you need to make a campaign for your YouTube channel for a start. And then you have to maximize your description box. Yes, it has the capacity of 5,000 characters for a reason, so that you can fill in as many things as possible. You have to make YouTube know what you are talking about, and that is what brings us to rapidtags.io. I don't want to make this video very, very long, so I advise you to go check out my how to get 1,000 YouTube subscribers fast video to understand why I said you have to maximize your description box. Use rapidtags.io, generate tags, and use them for your description box so that YouTube can know what you are talking about. You have to be hardworking. You have to be able to research if you want your YouTube channel to grow. Yes, read articles on Google, watch videos like this, watch YouTube tips and tricks, practice them. I've had some people come to my DM. They say they have tried everything I advised and their YouTube channel is not working, and I ask for their link and I go check out their channel and they are not practicing it. Practice them. Don't just watch this video. Practice whatever it is that I am saying. Your channel is definitely going to grow if you practice everything that I am saying. And then you have to look attractive. Guys, am I not looking attractive? Am I not looking fine with my attire? I don't have a loud makeup on, but I'm looking attractive. So you have to look attractive so that even if people are not subscribing for your content, they'll be subscribing because you are looking nice, you're a fine girl or you're a fine guy or something. And for voiceovers, I used to do voiceovers. Like, I have done voiceovers before on my YouTube channel, and I sincerely regret using voiceovers on my YouTube channel, and that was why I got a ring light. Why voiceovers are good? Because they are actually easy to make. Like, you just have to record what you're saying, add music, and make it wonderful. Their downside is that your audience does not have a physical connection with you. Yeah, they are not connected to you. If they are seeing you, they are seeing your reactions, they are seeing your face, they are seeing your dressing and everything, and they will love you more for your personality. But if they're just listening to your voice, they are just listening to that voice for the information they want to get, and not necessarily because they like the person who is telling them that. So I won't actually advise voiceovers. I regret doing them. So if you can, get a ring light and show your face. Let your audience know who is talking to them. And then your uploading frequency. You can't dump your first video and abandon your YouTube channel for 3 months. That is already a setback. For the first 2 weeks, you should drop like 3 videos. I know it's going to be hard, but you can even shoot the 3 videos before you premiere your YouTube channel, and you drop the other 2 weeks, maybe 3 days gap or 4 days gap. But your uploading frequency has to be top notch. Your video quality has to be dope, and that is why you need a ring light too. So if you don't have money for a ring light, try and save up for a ring light and invest in your YouTube channel, because you're not going to regret it. Your background has to be wonderful. I'm going to be making a video on how I get different backgrounds in my videos, because I actually make use of different backgrounds, although this is my favorite, so you see it in most of my videos, but I have different backgrounds. So I'm going to be making a video on how I get my different YouTube backgrounds, and I'm going to be releasing my YouTube tips and tricks every week. So subscribe to this channel. Should you sub for sub? I won't advise sub for sub. Yes, I won't advise it. If you actually make use of your WhatsApp contacts and your Instagram contacts, like make them subscribe to your channel, then you actually don't need to sub for sub. Yes, I shed more light on my sub for sub video, so it's somewhere here. Go check it out. Yes, go check out my sub for sub video to know why I said you shouldn't sub for sub. When asking people to subscribe to your channel as a beginner, always tell them that subscriptions are for free. Yes, tell them subscriptions are for free. Please subscribe to my channel. Subscriptions are for free. You don't have to pay any money. You just have to click on the red button there, click on the bell, click on all, so you'll be notified whenever I post. Tell them that subscriptions are for free, and tell them that they need to subscribe so that they'll be among the frontliners. There's something they call in my native language Inwoche, so that they'll be among those that will sit down at the front seats. They'll be among your pioneer subscribers. Tell them that. Encourage people to subscribe. When the people that know you subscribe, other people that do not know you will be motivated to subscribe. But if I'm coming to your channel and I'm seeing just 11 subscribers, I most likely will not sub, except you're a loyal fan and I just want to support you. So guys, that's it for it. I want to hear your testimonies. When you start getting subscribers, please hit me up on my YouTube channel or on my Instagram at Dera_Giselle. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Always watch my videos. I am a vlogger. I give YouTube tips and tricks. I gist once in a while. Yeah, I used to gist constantly. That was what blew my channel up. But right now I think I want to take a chill pill on the gist thing and all of that. And sometimes I discuss some trends. If you want to know a lot about black people, I am a Nigerian. I know people from other countries will be viewing this video. So I am a Nigerian, and if you want to know things about the Nigerian culture and about some cities in Nigeria, link up to my channel, because I am going to be vlogging about the city I currently live in. So guys, that's it for it. I love you all. Thank you so much for watching.
Black fingers upon the beat.